Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable home page in Google Chrome on your smartphone. This is very easy, so let's start. First, open Google Chrome on your smartphone. Then tap on three dot menu. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Home page. Now toggle it on. See here are some home page is on. See how look it's. This is the home page. This is the default home. This is the default home page of Google Chrome. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.